So today we're going to take a look at one of the coolest widgets in the new iOS 16 update, and that's called the stack. As you can see here, it just looks like we've got a calendar, but if we flick it down on it, you can see we've got some Spotify stuff there. Yeah, it's even got a TikTok one, it's got an IMDb one, and it just starts going around. You can totally customize this, so let's say if we hold on to it like so, we can click edit stack, and once we edit the stack, there's a few things there like smart rotation and little options you can click. We click the plus. As you can see, we have a variety of different widgets here, and we can always just add a few of those on. So I'll add a few of those on. Let's just add like Google Maps. It'll sometimes ask for this, it's not showing on the screen, but it's just saying about how it will refresh location every 15 minutes. And yeah, so there you can see we have an extra widget, and the cool thing about these is you can just quickly access things. So if I click like this Spotify one, the episodes tab here, it's going to take me to open the app on my Spotify and take me to episodes. Same thing with my calendar. Click it, takes to the calendar. Cool thing about the smart stack is that there's actually 3 different variants of the smart stack. We can have a small one like so, we can have this medium one, or we can have this bigger one. So if we click the bigger one, and you see now you've just got more information, similar stuff again, it's just on a bigger scale. And that's basically how you add smart stacks. If you want to remove something, all you do is just click edit the stack, and you can just remove it like so. You just click the little minus, and that's it. And to remove it completely, just click remove stack. And that's how you use stacks. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.